down here, just doing a quick video. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I did a video on this box before. What was wrong? It's got a very bad ding in it. There's relative. You can see it there. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's too bright. What happened? I guess they tried to move it with a forklift loaded, and it got banged up. Should have took a video before I started this. But the side straightened out. Bottom of the lace straightened out. There she was. I was going to shrink the bottom, but nah, I'm not going to bother. If I can pull it back out, shrink her up a bit. Yeah. I didn't like the rest of them. This is a nice box. It's a nice heavy one. Gray. It's an older one, probably from the 80s. Gray Pro handles. Short two handles. Drawers don't feel like they shit where they shit. Oh yeah, because I being bent. Let's see that or not. I'll fix it up as best I can. Get her so she at least works. That will be what it gets. Alright, Daniel out. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by